Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I am really sorry guys that I wasn't able to upload any video in the last week. My memory card wasn't working, so I wasn't able to upload any video. I wasn't able to film any video actually. So yeah, now I ordered a new one. So yeah, now it is working and I am here in front of you guys. So today I'm going to share with you guys my top 10 favorite nude lippers. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Favorite is this Faces Canada lip crayon in shade Spiced Latte. I'll leave all the links and description in the description box down below. If you want to buy it online, you can buy it online, but if you have watched my last video, then I would not recommend you to buy any makeup product online, but choice is all yours. If you find it good, then definitely you can buy that. So this is a matte lipper. If you are someone who love wearing matte lipsticks, then go for this one. And if you want to add a gloss in this shade like I do, so I just apply some lip gloss and then I apply this lip shade. So yeah, this is my favorite. So I'm gonna apply it using this brush. You can apply it directly as well, but I just want to apply it using this brush. So this is how this beautiful shade looks like. Now let me show you a swatch over my hand. See, this is the actual shade. Next is this MAC Velvet Teddy. I don't know if my camera is focusing or not, but yes, this is Velvet Teddy. This is the very famous shade from MAC. So this is how the shade looks like. And now I'm gonna show you this over my lips. So yeah, this is how this shade looks like. Let me just show you the swatch. Another one is this NYX Lingerie in shade Lipply 12. I don't know if camera is focusing over this or not, but this is Lipply 12. This is again my favorite. All of these lip shades are my favorite because I love wearing nude lip shades. So this is an applicator and I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, this is the actual shade. If you are someone who like dark brownish plus pinkish nude, then this is your shade. This is again matte, so I don't like applying matte lip shades. What I do is I just apply some lip balm and then I apply this. Or first I apply this, then I apply some lip balm. That doesn't matter. Overall, I just want glossy lip shades. So yep. So I just convert this matte lip shade into the glossy one. One good thing about this lipper is this is very long lasting. Now let me just show you the swatch. So this is the swatch. Next is this Cocoa Soft from Lakme 925. This is a dark nude. This is basically a brown dark nude. Let me just show you. So this is how applicator looks like. 2 years back I reviewed Crimson Silk from the same range. So this is another shade of that range, which is Cocoa Soft. Now let me just show you over my lips. Yep, so this is a dark nude lipper. This is matte again. So what I do is I just take some lip balm and make it glossy. This is a swatch of this lipper. Next one is from Sephora. This is Cream Lip Satin in shade 80. So this is how applicator looks like, and so yeah, this is again matte. What I would suggest you guys is always buy matte lippers, and then whenever you want to wear matte, wear it as it is, and whenever you want to wear glossy lippers, then you can add a gloss over it. Let me just show you swatch. So this is basically a pinkish nude. Next is this Nykaa Your Latte. This is again a dark brown nude, but I just love this shade. seriously, this is the most affordable and a most perfect nude, I would say. Now let me just show you this quickly over my lips. So if you like dark perfect nude, then this is your shade. See, so last week I posted a video in which I said do not buy makeup online. So it doesn't mean that I am against Nykaa or somewhat like, but it's just I wasn't happy with whatever happened and I'll not buy makeup online. So you can get this from Nykaa online if you still trust them, or you can just go to their store. They have so many stores in the malls. So you can just go and buy this shade from there as well. This is how it looks like. Next is this super dark nude from MAC. This is dark brown nude in shade Touch. This is from the range Luster and this is super glossy. This is the shade. Now let me just show you over my lips. This is how the shade looks like. This is dark brown nude, a coffee color which we can say. Yeah, and this is super lustrous. This is super glossy. Now let me just show you a swatch. See. Next one is from MAC again. So this is the shade Capricious. This is again super glossy. This is from Luster again. So this is how the shade looks like, and I would call it maroonish nude, like somewhere a combination of brown and red. Yep, so this is not a pink nude, not a brown nude, but maroonish nude. Now let me just show you a swatch quickly. Next is this mini lippo from MAC again. This is Twig. This is my favorite shade, and when I bought mini of this, I was just like, why? Like, why I bought mini for this? I should have bought mini for Touch or mini for Capricious, but why for this? Actually, I bought these 3 lippos together. So yeah, I should have bought full size lipstick. I would say Twig is my super favorite. This is pinkish nude. I'm gonna show you this first over my hands and then I'm gonna apply it over my lips. So this is a swatch and let me just show you. Look at this beautiful shade. This one is my favorite. I mostly use when I go to office. I just use this or this. These two are my like daily go lip shades. Yeah. See, the last but not the least, the shade Nimbu Pani from Masaba by Nykaa. This is like pink nude, pink or brown, I would say mixture of pink and brown nude. This is matte again, and this Twig is not matte, this is creamy. This one is matte. Let me just show you this over my lips first. So this is how this shade looks like. See the shade. This is pinkish brownish nude. So yeah, that was my video for today. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below, and please let me know guys what else you want to see on my channel. I have so many videos coming up for you guys in the queue. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon if you haven't hit that already, and smash the like button if you guys like this video, and share this video with your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.